Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our August 2018 Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing. First, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about this box. It is $14 a month with free shipping, and then you get a hand-picked selection of beauty, makeup, fashion, all sorts of things. And then you also get 25% off the online Ricky's NYC store, and then free shipping on orders over $50 or more. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into this. So I'm opening up the box, and it always comes just like this. I like that they put the bubble wrap on there. If you didn't see my last video about my palette that came a little broken, that's why I like boxes like this versus the bubble mailers in general. The theme this month is Heat Wave, and then here is all the products that we'll be getting. They do not list the values on this box, so I always research those. I put them down below, and then if I don't know if an item is cruelty-free, I will also put that down below. So the first thing I'm seeing is this face mask from Jean Pierre. It is a rose sheet mask. Rose water infused hydrating sheet mask. It is cruelty free. It says right here on the back. I've never tried anything from this brand. I've never even heard of this brand, to be honest. Let's see what it says. So it looks like it's just to hydrate and tone your skin, and it's a sheet mask. Well, I'm always down to try new sheet masks. I hate the smell of roses, not like real life roses, but anything rose scented, not a fan. So this I'm just gonna go ahead and put to the side for a giveaway. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is from RickyCare. It's just these. So it's like little clips that you put in your hair, like when you're, you know, when you're like straightening the bottom half of your hair, so you want to pull like this much up. It's little clips that you use. I like that they're like leaves. I don't know if you can see that in there. They're leaves. They're really, really cute. And so it says that they're supposed to prevent creases. So that's interesting. Let's go ahead and try one out in my hair and see how they feel. So they look just like, here's the front, and then the back is just like that. They definitely feel lightweight. Yeah. I'm excited to have something like this. We've never gotten, at least I haven't, Bronx hasn't gotten anything like this in a Ricky's box, like hair things like this. So yeah, I'm excited for it, something different. So I will definitely get some use out of those. All right, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, is this like the theme for this month? I get stuff that's damaged. I have nail polish that is leaked into my box. Like you see, it's on this little piece of paper. Great. I hope it didn't dry it out. Okay, so sorry. I'm just having a mood. Okay, so this is from Ella Mila. It is nail polish. Ella Mila Love. It's a nail polish in the shade Wild About You. It's definitely a color that's right up my alley. Just like a really, really bright, fun pink. I don't know if this brand's cruelty-free, but it's already like leaking all over the place. So I'm not gonna give this to anyone, but kind of disappointing that I had two, not from Ricky's, but my last box, what was it? The Yes Oh Yes, I had a palette that was damaged, and now I have nail polish that's leaking, but whatever, it's still plenty in there for me to use, so not that mad. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out of here is from Girlactik. So it's just like this. It is a matte lip paint. I've never tried anything from Girlactik. I don't know if they're cruelty-free. Let's go ahead and try to open this. Okay, so the shade is called Posh. And this is just what the packaging looks like. It's really simple, cute packaging. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have opened this. I thought it was going to be more nude, but it is brown. Well, maybe it's nude. It's like almost like a caramel nude. It's not the worst color I've ever seen, but it's probably something, if I would have known it looked like this, I would have put it into a giveaway, but I will try it out and see. Maybe it'd be a good fall color, but I feel like for my skin tone personally, this is just not the best color for me. It does look like it's drying down matte, so we'll see. I've never tried that brand, so I guess that's exciting to try that. Okay, one more item I have in here is from Double Dare. It's called OMG Pulling Gel. I am not sure what this is. So apply a dime-sized amount of gel to a clean, damp nose. Gently massage in circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse off. It's weird. So pulling makes me think like something you peel off, I guess, but maybe it's to like clean your pores. Okay, so yeah, it pulls away stubborn blackheads. So I definitely get those. I'm not sure if this brand's cruelty-free. It does not say anywhere on the packaging it's made in Korea, so not that that means anything. Let's see. So here's what it looks like. It's really cute. A little strawberry. So it's definitely like, ooh, it does smell like strawberry. It smells really, really good. It's an exfoliating type of thing. Like, I actually think there might be strawberry seeds in this. Let me see if I can. Do you see that on my hand? The little like black things in there. I wonder if that's actually strawberry seeds. Oh, George says no. Or yes. Who knows? He's a cat. Yeah, so it's got strawberry seeds, papaya, jojoba, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. Interesting. Okay, so if this is cruelty-free, I'll definitely use this. I definitely get, most of my blackheads are like right here and on my nose. So yeah, excited to try that. So overall, I don't feel like this is a bad Ricky's box. I'm not sure if Ricky's personally is like holding the value for me anymore. I got a sample-sized, you know, mask, which isn't bad. This is probably full size, this lip gloss. The nail polish isn't bad. These are fun, you know, the little hair clips and then one sheet mask. But I feel like just compared to like Ipsy or other bags that are even less than this, I get more value out of them, just in general. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep getting Ricky's. It's just not my favorite box anymore. When it was $11, it was like, whoa, you're getting so much great stuff. You get palettes and things like that. And now it's like you get hardly any makeup anymore. Like nail polish to me is not makeup. Like this is the only makeup item I got, and everything else, I mean, it's a good mix. I got, you know, 2 skincare, 1 hair thing, a nail polish, and a lip, but I don't know, I just prefer more makeup. Is it just me? Maybe it is just me, but overall, I just don't love Ricky's like I used to. Well, yeah. So anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.